How's it going, guys? And today I'm here to talk to you guys about the top 5 investing apps to use. Now this applies if you're a beginner, intermediate, and an expert, and I have tried and used all these apps on the list, and I'm also going to give a personal rating on what I think. But this is going to be a fully objective analysis on each of the top 5, and then you can download whichever one you think is best for you. Before we get into this, we need to talk about what to look for when you look at an investing app. Personally, I look at 5 main things. Number 1 is fractional shares. I use fractional shares so I can still invest in the top brands and blue chip stocks. Number 2 on the list, and arguably the most important one, is an easy to use interface. A complicated interface can be very confusing and difficult to use, which can lower the overall experience of the app and make things much more complicated for you, which is why interface is one of the most important things I look for when it comes to an investing app. Number 3 is customer service. Although you may not use this, it is very important that you have good customer service in case something goes wrong. When you're dealing with your own money, you want to make sure a customer service is always available to you so you can figure out what went wrong and why it went wrong. Number 4 on the list is the types of investments it offers. This could be individual stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds. It could be a variety of things, but we want to make sure it has a wide variety of available options for you to trade and use. Finally, number 5 is analytics. Now this is very important if you're an experienced trader, so you can figure out the graphs and charts and do your own research with the data available. Now that we've covered those, let's get right into it. Number 1 on the list, and the most popular one of all, Robinhood. They were one of the first apps to offer fractional shares, which is why it gained a lot of popularity when it started up. Many users turn to Robinhood when they first start to get into investing, but now that there's so many other apps that you can use, it may not be the best option for you anymore. They offer a variety of good factors though, as they offer fractional shares, and they have one of the best platforms on the list. They have a very streamlined platform, making it very easy for a beginner especially to use the app and invest and figure out what's going on. They were also the first app to offer commission-free trades in stocks, ETFs, and options. So if you want to buy or trade or sell any one of these, you can do it without a commission fee. They also have a variety of different cryptos you can trade if you want, and there's no account minimum, so you can get started investing with only $1. Now, the cons. They've been known to have extremely bad customer service. Many people have gone on the record and claimed, and you can even go on the App Store and see the reviews because their service is very bad. They also offer no mutual funds or bonds, so if you're looking to invest into those, this is not the place for you. Many issues have arisen from this app, including recently the whole controversy with GameStop, where they stopped traders from actively buying or selling selling stock of certain companies. This led to a massive outcry within the general public and led to several lawsuits within them. And I'm going to start up something new. Since most of these videos are in the same format, I'm going to give a personal score so I can have my opinion on this as well. And it's going to be called a meter score. And for this, I would give Robinhood a meter score of 3.5 out of 5. This is mainly because although it was really good, it's not the best anymore as many other options have come available. So they also have a promotion running. You get 1 free stock after linking your bank account. The bottom line is, it's very easy to use interface for beginners with lots of options, but with so many platforms coming out, it's no more the best and just a shell of what it used to be. Number 2 on the list is Webull. Webull has one of the best charts on the list and research options available to their traders. They offer no account minimum and they offer extended offers and pre-market trading. They also have no commission stock and option fees. One thing that varies differently from Webull and Robinhood is that Webull has 24/7 customer service with phone and email. They do, however, have some cons. You can't really trade fractional shares unless you do with the $5 minimum. And like other apps, they offer a minimum of $1, so this is a very big difference. There's also no mutual funds, and although there's many research options and data analytics, they offer very little educational value as you have to know what's what in order for you to understand what's happening. I personally used to use Webull when I first started day trading. Webull gets a meter score of 4.2 out of 10 as the research and analysis tools are greatly beneficial, and as long as you know what you're doing, you should be fine. Number 3 on the list is Fidelity. This is arguably the most well-rounded on this whole list. They offer no commission on stocks, ETFs, and options, And they also have great research tools and also great educational tools. They also have a great customer service. They're also known for their index funds, which is a good deal if you're a long-term investor. A bonus pro I would add is that their pro trading platform, if you actively trade, is absolutely free to use with no charge at all. Although they don't have many cons, there are a couple. If you want an assisted broker, it does charge money, and there is no crypto for you to trade on the app. The bottom line is, it's a great well-rounded platform and app that allows beginners and experienced traders to use a variety of tools to best fit their needs. Now, Fidelity gets the highest score on the list as they get a meter score of 4.7 out of 5. They offer so many great things and they're so well balanced that it's very hard to beat. Number 4 on the list, and my personal favorite, is M1 Finance. Now, this is the best for customization as it allows you to manage your portfolio with percentages. They offer no fees on trading as well, and they have commission freeze on everything. They have an auto invest feature, which allows you to reinvest dividends if you want, or if you want, you can turn that off. And they also have expert pie, so if you want to see what Berkshire Hathaway is investing in, which is Warren Buffett's firm, you can see. They also have other firms as well, and you can see what types of stocks they're investing in and compare that with your own. Now, there are cons to this as well, as there isn't many analysis or tools to use for you to do your research. You have to go to somewhere else if you want to do that. And they as well offer no crypto trading. This is not the best for day traders as well, as they only have one trading window. So this is mainly meant for long-term investors. The bottom line is, this is mainly for medium to long-term investors who value portfolio customization. The meter score on this is going to be a 4 out of 5 because although this is my personal favorite, this is an objective review after all. Number 5 on the list is Public. This is a very recent app that's come out in the last 1 or 2 years, and many creators have jumped onto it, such as Graham Stephan and Humphrey Yang. It's best for social networking as it offers an interface where you can see almost like a Twitter feed where you can see what your friends are investing in and why they're investing in it. It's also very reliable because as far as I'm concerned, there's been no major errors or problems with it. And there's also great educational value as many people explain why they're doing what. They offer cryptocurrency as well, so it's a very balanced app. Some cons that exist with this is that there isn't many research tools as it's a very simple to use interface. And you don't get many trading options as it's just very simple stock trades. The bottom line is, it's a great and simple app to use for beginners who are just starting off and understanding the environment. I would recommend this over Robinhood for beginners as the Twitter feed and the social networking aspect of it gives a new feel to investing. And when I was using it, I enjoyed using it more than Robinhood. I would give this a meter score of 4 out of 5 as well, as although it is a very good app to use, it's mainly for beginners and beginners only. Some honorable mentions I have is Vanguard, which has been around for a very long time. And the reason why I didn't crack my top 5 is because the interface is very old and it's not modernized and it just feels very confusing and complicated. There's also Acorns, which you invest spare change in, which is a great app if you don't want to pay a monthly fee. And I don't know about you, but I like free things. So I hope this helped you make an informed decision on which app to download, and so you can start your investing journey. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, and I'll be sure to see y'all next time.